How to turn off comments for a post in Facebook. So first is to launch the Facebook application. Then tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon found on the top right corner. Then tap your profile. Now once you're in your profile page, scroll down and locate the post that you want to turn off its comments section. Tap the three dots or the ellipsis icon found on the top right corner. And then go to Edit Privacy. And make sure to select Public, as you won't be able to disable the comments if you don't select this setting. Once done, go back, and then tap the three dots or the ellipsis icon again, and you will see this option, Who can comment on your post. But if you don't see this option after selecting Public, refresh the page, and this will appear. So select this option, and select Profiles and Pages you mentioned. So once you select this option, the profiles and the pages that you mentioned are the only ones that are allowed to comment in your post. Now tap Done. And so that is how you turn off comments for a post in Facebook. Thank you and have a great day.